Welcome to my video. My name is Maria Cardona Quintero and my case segment is going to talk about the strategies that H&M implement to entry to Uruguay and how they get internationalized after 20 years in its born country. This video is going to have 4 different parts that explain the case, which are intro, literature review, story case, and conclusion. Nowadays, the most prominent companies are being more and more internationalized to be competitive, to differentiate, and to be in constant change. For that reason, companies are implementing many market entry strategies to take advantage and to have more market opportunities. In this case study is going to talk about the internationalization and promotion strategies that H&M used for entry to Uruguay and what is the comparison with Sweden, that is the origin country. H&M has the concept to arrive in developing country where the relationship between cost, benefit, and risk are balanced, and the topics seen in class that relate to the case of H&M in Uruguay and Sweden are globalization, Uppsala model, red and blue ocean, and segmentation. H&M started in 1947 when Erling Persson opened the first store in Bastera, Sweden, and their first segmentation was only clothes for women. And the slogan has been fashion and quality at the best price, but always thinking in the consumer and the value of the perception of them. The company began internationalization in the year 1964. The first country was Netherlands. The next in America, the first country was USA, and in Latin America, and the first was Chile, and in Uruguay entered in 2018. Macu Alfaro is the regional manager of the company, and she said that there is a competitive advantage in the country, and is not a matter that was a little market, because the company would like to be in the smallest corner of the world, and some risks and benefits are shown in the pestle analysis. In accordance with consumer preference, H&M has been implementing a sustainable fashion supply chain because sustainability is significantly important for fashion business due to consumer increasing awareness of environment. Sweden is a small country and it depends on internationalized companies as H&M. This company began its internationalization with the Uppsala model. The manager decided to start doing small and non-regular exports in order to increase and improve in gradually. H&M compete with mass fashion and fast fashion companies like Inditex. As you can see in these perception maps, H&M is located in as a company with low price, high quality, and trendy. Its direct competitor is Index Moda with Zara. For that reason, it's essential to do a strategic canvas to analyze which are the differentiate factors that the company implement to be competitive and what are a red or blue ocean strategies. Some of the factors of H&M that are in red ocean are internationalization and trendy, because Zara is also a brand which is around the world, and this is at the top of fashion trends. H&M present also a blue ocean in low price and variety of styles, because this company has different lines of products for different type of people. For example, to people relax, or people who like to do exercise, or people who dress it formally every day. As a conclusion, H&M is a company that has many trajectories in the international world. This company started to internationalize this brand many years ago, but only few years ago it was entering to Latin America. H&M has done robust strategies to compete with the sharks on the Red Ocean. Also, they have to promote these products in this new territory. The case showed the importance to know strategies with which a business can be internationalized because the world every day is more global and the big companies are every moment doing things and making strategies to be at the forefront of new trends in order to grow and take advantage of the opportunities that make offer. And that are some bibliography that I use to do my work.